Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make natural BCAA. Your body cannot synthesize branched-chain amino acids, or BCAA, on its own. This means they are essential, and you must acquire them through the foods you eat. The only way to naturally make BCAA available to your body is by consuming a diet rich in specific protein sources. We will explore these sources and how to effectively incorporate them into your meals for optimal intake. BCAA are a group of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These are particularly important because they make up approximately 1/3 of the protein found in your muscles. They are vital for stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. Additionally, BCAA can serve as an energy source during exercise, helping to reduce muscle breakdown. Many common foods are rich in natural BCAA. Excellent animal-based sources include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which offer about 8 grams of BCAA per serving. Meats such as beef, chicken, and fish also provide substantial amounts, often around 6 to 7 grams per 4-ounce serving. For plant-based options, consider legumes, nuts, and seeds, which contribute valuable BCAA to your diet. To maximize your natural BCAA intake, focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein-rich foods throughout the day. For example, pairing a serving of lean meat with a side of lentils can provide a comprehensive amino acid profile. Distributing your protein intake evenly across 3 to 4 meals helps ensure a steady supply of these essential nutrients, supporting muscle recovery and overall health effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.